This video will show you how to configure your data logger. Open the Log Tag Analyzer software and select Log Tag in the top left-hand corner. Select Configure and the configuration page will open. Ensure that your log tag is plugged in via the USB port or Cradle interface. If you have an X at the top here, it means that your logger wasn't found, and you can simply press Rescan and it will look again for your logger. As you can see, I've got 2 green ticks, so it's been found, and now we're on the configuration page. So now you're required to enter in the specifications that you want the logger to be configured to. First up is the description. Type in Coolpak logger. This can be anything you want and will be displayed on the graph when downloaded. You can also configure a password to download the logger or when you're configuring the logger. The next setting is the logging parameters. You have 2 options, a date time start or a push button start. The date time start allows you to specify a day and time that you wish the logger to start. The push button start allows you to start the logger whenever you wish, providing you press the start button on the log tag. The push button start will also allow you to have pre-start logging enabled. This will ensure that if someone forgets to press the start button, that data will be recorded in the background. So let's configure this logger to a push button start with pre-start logging enabled. Now the next 2 options I have is to either have the data record continuously and it will overwrite the oldest memory once full. So once it gets to the end of its memory, it will then start writing over the first initial data that was recorded. The next option is to record readings that will stop after a specific time. So you've got recordings that will span at least 11 days. Now this number will change with the duration of the intervals that we set this logger to. So for this logger, we'll have the readings recording every 5 minutes. And you can see that the span has changed to 56 days. Now another option is to have a delay start recording. So once you press that push button,